Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT X30, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, simply pull down the notification panel, find the toggle. For me, it looks like it's on the second page, battery saver. Tap on it to enable it. Battery saver turns off or restricts background activity, some visual effects and other high power features to extend battery life. So let's turn that on, and there we go. As you can see, now it's enabled. And you can clearly see it based also on the color of the battery. It has this red outline around it, and also when you pull down the notification panel, it's now black. So that is how you would enable it, and once you're done with it and you want to disable it, simply tap on the toggle once more and this will go back to normal. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.